Hi everybody and welcome to the Messy Desk. We are going to go ahead and make some embellishments using these cards. These would be embellishments that you'll be able to use in your junk journals or in any of your paper crafting. And these are going to be very similar to the cards that I made using these. But because I've had some people tell me that they just don't see it. They don't see how they could just make it be an embellishment. So here we go. We'll go ahead and we'll start with this blue one. And I just think these are so cool. These are printable from my Etsy shop. And these are the religious Easter. So originally your print will look like this, and what I did was I told my printer that I wanted 5x7, so I got this. And I've also been able to do them in 3x5. This is the kids and chickens and bunnies, or kids and bunnies and chicks. So this is the 4 3x5, and you can also do the wallet size, and they turn out little teeny tiny. You get little ticket size. So that's the bunnies and chicks. So there are 4 digital kits available in my Etsy shop for Easter, and this is one of them. Okay, so taking this card and having it be the focal point, and yet I want to be, I'm using things that are on my desk, okay? So let's see. So we have another one of these cute little doilies that I just received in some happy mail from Jana. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some ATC or ATG on the front of this. I'm going to go ahead and let it come out a little bit more like that. Let's see. We can go ahead and peel the ATG off. I'm just peeling the glue off the top so that it doesn't come through onto anything. Okay, so we have this beautiful card with the doily on it, and I also have this doily, and I'm not going to use that. Let's see, we have these beautiful pieces that I just got. Excuse me, I just purchased this, I figure it's probably for a wedding or something, jacket, and I purchased it for $3.95 at a thrift shop, and I'm cutting it up. It was separated from the dress. I don't know where the dress had gone, so I was kind of glad, because I wanted to see if this would work before I spent, because a lot of times the wedding dresses are like $50. I'll keep watching though. So there we have this, and we can add that onto it. So I think we'll go ahead and just add a little glue. There we go. Add a couple of these flowers because they're right here. And really, I'm picking things because they're right here. So a lot of times that's when I make embellishments, is when I'm when it's time to clear my desk. Okay, so this is a green flower that I have, and I actually bought it so that I could use the leaves. I just got the center of it. Whoops. I put hot glue on it, and I'm just adding it into the center, putting it underneath each flower. You almost can't even read that where it says a Happy Easter on the top. Okay. Oh, I like that. Okay, so even though it says a Happy Easter, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a foam square. I got this, the double-sided foam tape. I got this at Dollar Tree, and I am going to add it here. Okay, and then we just want to put something in the center, and let's see. I'm looking, I had a little Queen Anne's lace thing. Here it is. I really like the way this looks in the center of these flowers. Whoop, don't use the materials, Sisters Jules. So I'm just going to cut a little piece off for each one. And what it does is it'll give me a little fuzzy center. Whoops, dropped it. I'm dropping things today. It's not even my bad thumb hand. Can't blame it on the bad thumb. There. Stay. Okay, so this one has like 2 little pieces. And just carefully putting a little bit of glue at the end, and then putting it down in the center. And there you have your first little embellishment. And we could go ahead and add I don't think it needs it, but we could put it down there. Okay. There we go. So there is our first embellishment using that. Now come back and let's see, we'll go with this one. Okay. Here we go. So on this one, I think what we will do is here is some Anna Griffith. It's from a 6x6 pad. What we're going to do is we're going to make a paper clip. I love these paper clips. I have this one that is this really cool purple color. And so I'm going to put this on the paper with the large size on the outside here, okay? Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to make sure that it's where I want it, okay? Then I'm going to come over and grab some glue from my glue gun. Sorry, I had to put glue in the glue gun. So I've made a little mess. Oh, we need more than that, but oh well. Okay, so that is glued. I'm going to go ahead and come down here and get the rest of it. Okay. Come down, glue it. Okay, of course you can cut this before, which is what I usually do. And what I'm making is a flat paper clip. So this will literally, it will attach and be flat. So you won't have any extra bulk unless you put bulk on there. And of course we're going to put a little bit of bulk. We're going to put a little bit of bulk on there. So, we have the purple. And okay. Again, I love these doilies. Oh, I just love them. And if I was going to do that, I would have had to sandwich it in there, because otherwise it's gonna probably not be happy. I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. I'm going to put it on like this. I'll put it in the middle. I don't usually. Okay, I'll put it on and then rub the ATG glue off so it doesn't stick to things. Oh, I can feel it. Okay. Then we have this little flower, and he has a pointy edge in the back here. It's like a little wire, and I'm just turning it. Put a little glue on it, put that down. You know what? Yes, I'm taking it off. We're going to go ahead and put this down. And then put the purple flower on top of it. I have not thought any of this out. The only thing is that I did do the card video. But it's different. Similar, using similar pieces. Okay, so there is our little passion flower. Okay. And we'll go ahead and add a couple of leaves. And that will be 2 embellishments. And so you get an idea of how you can take what I had done in the card video. So this is the card, and this is the embellishment. Okay. Of course, you can go ahead and do the glitter. And this is glitter fingernail polish. I only use this on things where there's not going to be photos. But that is fun thing to do. Okay, so there is card and embellishment. And this is this card and embellishment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. And check out the Easter digitals on my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie. This is what we were using. And I think they turned out pretty good. There are 2 other cards. And if I get a chance, I'll make embellishments out of those as well. Have a great day. Bye.